that how Dr. Sadao was nourished by his father in his childhood, and how did his father make him a good surgeon and scientist. And more than this, Sadao, Dr. Sadao, who belonged to Japan, took admission in America, and there during his study time, he met with his wife Hana, who was also belonging to Japan. And after completion of study, they returned back to Japan, that is their native country. And after returning back home, native country, they both got married. दोनों की शादी हो गई. Now they all are living happily, joyfully. Their home, particularly Sadao's home, is on the beach of the sea. He is government physician, general, doctor, and he used to treat the highest post commander, army chief of the Japan. So he was not transferred to somewhere else on his job. He was continuously at one place, so he made his home on the beach of the sea. एक मिनट बेटा, थोड़ा प्रिंसिपल मैम का फोन आ रहा है, बात कर लो. हेलो.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
हाँ बोलिए.
सर कह रहे हैं सर 24 सर और लेते हैं केमिस्ट्री का क्लास.
ऑनलाइन नहीं बताने बेटा, वीडियो बनाते हैं.
अच्छा, और धनंजय सर?
वो भी वीडियो बनाते हैं. नेट नहीं ना पकड़ता है देहात में.
अच्छा, यस सर, ठीक है.
अब रखो, हम थोड़ा ऑनलाइन क्लास पढ़ा रहे हैं, बीच में टपक गए.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.
Then through this way, Sadao was living his life. And now further I am going to tell page number 26, second para. Now he felt her hand on his arm and was aware of the pleasure it gave him, even though they had been married years enough to have the two children. What was the family status of the Dr. Sadao is being given in this passage, that after long time passed after marriage, yet Dr. Sadao and his wife had only two children. For they had not married heedlessly in America. They had finished their work at school and had come home to Japan, and when his father had seen her, the marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way. Although Sadao and Hana had talked everything over beforehand, they were perfectly happy. She laid her cheek against his arms. कह रहे हैं नरेटर कि आफ्टर लॉन्ग पासिंग ऑफ द मैरिज डे, मैरिज ईयर, yet their love, their affection towards each other is warm. They love to each other. And in what way their marriage took place? After completion of study, they returned home, and Sadao's father looked the girl, and then arranged marriage was done in Japanese way, in Japanese custom. It was at this moment that both of them saw something black come out of the mists. Mists means fog, kuhasa, kuhara. At the time of evening, Sadao was standing in his balcony, gazing towards the sea. His wife Hannah came near to him, put her arm around Sadao's neck, and then they were continuously looking towards the sea. Then suddenly they realized that something black shape was emerging outside from the fog mist. वो अभी सी की तरफ देख रहे थे, तभी उन्हें रियलाइज हुआ कि कुहरे में के बीच से कोई काली सी छाया बाहर की ओर आ रही है, उनकी तरफ आ रही है. It was a man. They realized that black shape was of man. He was flung up out of the ocean. Flung up means to push out. जैसे लहरों द्वारा उस व्यक्ति को बाहर कर दिया गया था, ढकेल दिया गया था. फेक लहरों ने उस व्यक्ति को, मिस्ट में जो काला शेप दिखाई दिया वह व्यक्ति का था, और वह व्यक्ति लहरों के द्वारा उछाल कर किनारे लाकर डाल दिया गया था. Flung, it seemed to his feet by a breaker. He staggered a few steps, his body outlined against the mist, his arms above his head. Then the cold mist hit him again. That person was seen for a moment in the mist and again disappeared in the mist. वह व्यक्ति कुहारे से बाहर आया. सदाव और उसकी वाइफ उसको देखे, लेकिन उसके तुरंत बाद ही वह फिर उसी कुहासे में, मिस्ट में, that person lost again. Who is that? Hannah cried. Hannah cried, who was that person? She dropped Sadav's arm and they both leaned over the railing of the veranda. Now that person disappeared in the mist again after giving little bit glance, and then Sadav and his wife both got worried, surprised. Who was there? They had a lot of doubt of enemy, because at that time war was going on, war was on process. So due to this reason they got fearful, they got surprised. Now they saw him again, and after some time, कैमरा तो ऑन है बेटा, आप कैसे रखूं? After some time, what happened? Again that person looked to Sadav and his wife, both of them. The man was on his hands and knees crawling. That man was crawling on hands and legs of the knees. Then they saw him fall on his face and lie there. And then suddenly that person fell on the ground, in the water, in the mud, and laid there. A fisherman, perhaps Sadav said. Sadav expected his expectation, guessed that probably that was the fisherman, washed from his boat. Washed from his boat means that person fell into the water from his boat and then flung outside by the waves. यानी वह व्यक्ति नाव से पानी में गिरा और फिर वहां से बहते हुए लहरों में फ्लंग करके बाहर फेंक दिया गया, इसलिए वह बेसुध है, unconscious. He ran quickly down the steps and behind him Hannah came, her wide sleeves flying. A mile or two away on either side there were fishing villages, but here was only the bare and lonely coast, dangerous with rocks. The surf means होता है झाग, foam of the water. The surf beyond the beach was spiked with rocks. Somehow the man had managed to come through them. He must be badly torn. Torn means tear, torn, फटना होता है, that is wounded. So narrator is saying that anyhow, एक मिनट बेटा, narrator is saying that anyhow that man managed to come out from the sea water. That person was badly wounded. So Sadav and his wife ran, both of them ran towards that person with the purpose to put him and carry to home so that they could cure him. बेटा आप तो आवाज आनी चाहिए. They saw when they came toward him that indeed it was so. The sand on one side of him had already a stain of red soaking through. Narrator is saying that when Sadav and his wife reached near to that person, unknown person, then they suddenly found that That person was already wounded. That person, हाँ आएगी भाई, आप लोग का नेटवर्क छोड़ दे रहा है, आप लोग हमें परेशान कर रहे हो. That person was really wounded, even from his one side bleeding. This blood was coming out, blood was bleeding. Sadav and his wife came to know that that person was badly wounded, and उसके एक साइड से ब्लड निकल कर बह रहा था, ब्लड निकल रहा था. He is wounded, Sadav exclaimed. Means spoke in surprise that that person was badly wounded. He made haste to the man who lay motionless, his face in the sand, an old cap stuck to his head, soaked with sea water. He was in wet rags of garments. Sadav stopped Hana at his side and turned the man's head. They saw the face. A white man, Hana whispered. White man was the symbol of America. And at that time, war between America and Japan was going on. Because at that time, you have heard na, America made fall atom bomb on the two states of Japan, Nagasaki and Hiroshima. This story related to that era. At that time, war was going on. When Sadav and his wife reached near to that unconscious man, they saw that his body was bleeding. His face was downside towards the sand, means his face was smashed in the sand. When they turned the face of that person, then they found that face of that person was white, means his wife exclaimed in surprise that that was the white man. That means that was an American person who belonged to the enemy country of the Japan. वह चिल्लाई थी, अगर ये तो अमेरिकी व्यक्ति है, हमारा दुश्मन देश का है, he is the enemy of our nation. Yes, it was a white man. The wet cap fell away, and there was his wet yellow hair, long as though for many weeks it had not been cut, and upon his young and tortured face was a rough yellow bird. He was unconscious and knew nothing that they did for him. When they removed the cap from the head of that wounded man, unconscious man, they found that that person was totally belonging to America. Now he was in unconscious position. Whatever they did for him, he was unaware of with that fact, and due to that reason. But anyhow, Sadav wanted to protect his life because that was the demand of the profession of the doctor. Means Sadav was a doctor, and it was the first work of doctor that whether that person be enemy or friend, doctor must cure him without any partiality. But the Sadav, that matter was of patriotism, that matter was of enemy of the country, that is Desdroh, rebellion of with country. So Sadav was hesitating, yet he became ready to cure of that person. उस व्यक्ति का जो है उपचार करने के लिए वह तैयार था. हालांकि वह व्यक्ति दूसरे देश से बिलोंग करता था और वह डर रहा था कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि उसे देशद्रोह में डाल दिया जाए. But in that condition, yet Sadav was ready to cure of, to take care of that person, but in heading way from the authorities of his country. बेटा थोड़ा आप लोग बात कम करो, ध्यान दो बुक की लाइन पे. नो प्लीज नहीं 10 मिनट बच्चे हम 10 मिनट में हम खत्म कर देंगे. पहले क्या है. नाउ Sadav remembered the wound, and with his expert fingers, now Sadav remembered the wound, and with his expert fingers he began to search for it. Blood flowed freshly at his touch. On the right side of his lower back, Sadav saw that a gun wound had been reopened. The flesh was blackened with powder. Sometime not many days ago, the man had been shot and had not been tended. It was bad chance that the rock had struck the wound. Now narrator is saying that after observation of whole body, and particularly the portion of the body from where blood was bleeding, Sadao claimed to conclusion that unconscious person, unknown person belonging to the US Army, American Army, and anyhow he was shot by the gun by any opponent, that is Japanese officer or Sainik soldier, and thus being wounded he got unconsciousness and then was flung and washed away by the waves of the sea to the Japan shore. मतलब उसने जिस समझ में आ गया कि यह व्यक्ति को गोली लगी है, किसी हमारे देश के सैनिक नहीं मारे, अमेरिका का है, और एनी हाउ नोविंगली अनोविंगली यह बह करके यहाँ चला आया है. Oh, how he is bleeding, Hannah whispered again in a Solomon voice. Solomon means slow voice. मीन्स वह सरप्राइज होकर के देखा और बोला, हना देखी और बोली कि कैसे यह घायल हो गया है और कैसे जो है यह चोटिल होकर के यहाँ आया हुआ है. इस पर वो विस्पर की मुस्कुराहट कर रही है. अभी वह बतिया रहा है. चलिए पढ़िए. Oh, how is he is bleeding, Hannah whispered again in a Solomon voice. The mist screened them now completely. Screened means showed, यानी मिस्ट जब हट गया तो उसके चेहरे पे सब कुछ अब हना को साफ नजर आने लगा. The mist screened them now completely, and at this time of day no one came by. The fishermen had gone home, and even the chance beachcombers would have considered the day at the end. Means narrator is saying that there was no chance to be caught, and मतलब पकड़े जाने का, अगर वो उठाकर उसे ले जाते हैं तो भी पकड़े जाने का कोई चांस नहीं था. ना कोई फिशरमैन उस टाइम वहां होता, ना कोई बीच पे रहने वाला वहां होता. इस वजह से there was easy to cure him for Hannah and Dr. Sadao. What shall we do with this man? Sadao muttered. Muttered means spoke slowly, बहुत धीरे से बोला कि what did they do with that? Either to kill or to left or to cure. But this his trained hands seemed of their own will to be doing what they could to stanch the fearful bleeding. But his trained hand means the hands which were taught to cure any patient, whether he be enemy or friend. यानी कोई भी ऐसा कोई भी ऐसा पेशेंट हो, मत टॉपिक करो बेटा, थोड़ा शांति से रहो. कोई भी ऐसा पेशेंट, चाहे वो दुश्मन हो या दोस्त हो, उसको उपचार करने की, उसको देख रेख करने की शिक्षा ही सदाओ को दी गई थी. इसलिए उसके हाथ चल पड़े, उसकी दवा और उसका उपचार करने लगे. He packed the wound with the sea moss that strewed the beach. The man moaned with pain in his stupor, but he did not awaken. Stupor means in unconscious state. When Sadao started to cure bleeding, that person due to extreme pain moaned for some moment and again went in unconsciousness. The best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea, Sadao said, answering himself. And when Sadao started to think whether he should cure off that person or to kill or to left that person in his condition, because he was belonging to an enemy country, but ultimately he decided, he thought in her mind that best thing would be for Sadao and for that patient that he would left him in the sea in same position, and if his luck would be, then he would be alive, otherwise he would die. Yes, undoubtedly that would be the best, Hannah said. Hannah also approved his statement steadily, that is firmly, but she continued to stare down at the motionless man. But she, thou Hannah said that yes, we should left this person in the same in his position on his luck. But thou being a lady of soft and kind heart, she was continuously gazing at the wounded body of the enemy who was unconscious. If we sheltered a white man in our house, we should be arrested, and if we turned him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die, Sadao said. Then Sadao started to say that, देखो this line जो है, यह लाइन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसे ब्रैकेट में कर लो. इफ वी शेल्टर्ड से लेकर Sadao said, इसे अपने लैंग्वेज में पढ़ के अपने शब्दों में लिखोगे, ये बहुत की नोट है, इस पे क्वेश्चन आता है, इसे हर हाल में, ये ऐसा है कि किसी क्वेश्चन में लिख सकते हो तुम लोग, इसलिए इसे अंडरलाइन कर लो। सो सदाव इज थिंकिंग एंड टेलिंग विथ हिज वाइफ दैट इफ Sadav would left him, that is to the enemy, then he would die. If he would carry that enemy at his home to cure, then Sadav would be arrested as rebellion, as the Destrohi, and would be prisoned. And if Sadav would hand over that enemy, that unconscious person, to the authorities, then surely that person would die, would be killed by those authorities and would die. The kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea, Hannah said, but neither of them moved. They were staring with a curious repulsion upon the inert figure. Thou both were saying to give up that person in the sea water in his position on his lug, but both were saying only through their mouth, but with deep heart they were in favor of to serve the enemy. वे चाहते थे कि इसे कैसे भी मरने के कगार पे है, एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज ए ह्यूमैनिटी दे शुड प्रोटेक्ट हिज लाइफ। वो सोच रहे थे कि एज मानव के रूप में हम इसे बचा लें, मरने से बचा लें। What is he? Hannah whispered. Hannah said, what was the reason? Why are you running behind him? Who is he? What is he? वह क्या है? वह कौन है? There is something about him that looks American. Sadav said that he looks American. He seems that he belongs to America. He is American person. Sadav said, he took up the battered cap. Yes, they are almost gone. Was the faint lettering? A sailor, he said, from an American warship. He spelled it out, US Navy. The man was a prisoner of war. Prisoner of war का मतलब होता है युद्ध का कैदी। जब युद्ध हो रहा होता है उस समय जो पकड़ लिया जाता है, जेल चला जाता है अपोजिट पार्टी के द्वारा, अपोजिट देश के द्वारा, वह प्रिजनर ऑफ वार, युद्ध का कैदी कहा जाता है। So Sadav when pull out some documents from the pocket and cap of that unconscious person, then he came to know that that person was belonging to the American army, to the American Navy, and that was the sailor of American Navy. This was the introduction of that person. He has escaped, Hannah cried softly. Hannah told that he has escaped anyhow. वह किसी भी तरह से भाग कर बच गया है, भाग निकला है from the arrest of the Japanese army, and that is why he is wounded. और यही कारण है कि वह घायल पड़ा हुआ है, unconscious way. In the back, Sadav agreed. Sadav supported by saying, yes, you are right. बीच कॉम्बर्स का मतलब होता है जो किनारे बीच पे आते हैं घूमने टहलने। They hesitated, looking at each other. Then Hannah said with resolution. Resolution means firm determination, firm decision, final decision. Hannah told to Sadav that, come, are we able to put him back into the sea? Hannah asked with her husband Sadav that whether we both are able to throw this person again back into the sea. क्या हम लोग इसे ठीक वापस समुद्र में फेंक देना चाहिए? If I am able, are you? Sadav asked. Then Sadav asked with Hannah that whether when Sadav was able to throw that person, then whether Hannah was also able to throw into. ए बेटा माइक ऑफ करो, किसका माइक है? No, Hannah said, but if you can do it alone. Hannah said, no, I am not able to throw this person into the sea. But if you can do, then you do. Throw it. Forget about it, that what is humanity. Sadav hesitated again. The strange thing is, he said that if the man were whole, I could turn him over to the police without difficulty. I care nothing for him. He is my enemy. All Americans are my enemy. And he is only a common fellow. You see how foolish his face is, but since he is wounded. Sadav is telling to his wife that if that person become or had been in complete personality, means if that person had not been wounded at the brink of the death, brink means किनारा, एज, तो कह रहा है सदाव कि यदि यह व्यक्ति मरने के कगार पे नहीं होता, घायल इतनी बुरी तरह नहीं होता, then probably Sadav would had handed over that person to the Japanese police, and that does not matter whether he was killed or not, because his foolish face was just like American, and Sadav hated to Americans because they were enemy of the Sadav and even his country. But being a human being, as a human being, that person was at the brink of death, मृत्यु के कगार पर है, इसलिए सदाव को उसे पुलिस को हैंड ओवर करने में बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है, बहुत डिफिकल्टी रियलाइज हो रही है. You also cannot throw him back to the sea. Hana said, then there is only one thing to do. We must carry him into the house. तब हना ने कहा कि अब तुम भी इसे नहीं फेंक सकते. Then there is only one work to be done by us, and that is to be carried this person to our home. हमें अपने घर इस व्यक्ति को ले चलना चाहिए. But the servant Sadav inquired. Then Sadav said, if they would carry that person to the home, then what would be of servants? When servants would come to know about that prisoner of war, then they would make rumor into the society, and then police would reach to the Sadav home and would arrest Sadav and that enemy. सदाव कहा कि ठीक है, अगर हम घर भी ले चलते हैं तो नौकरों का क्या होगा, वे तो जान जाएंगे, तो शोर मचा देंगे, और उसके बाद हम भी पकड़े जाएंगे और यह एनिमी भी पकड़ा जाएगा. Through this way, beta, I stop here.